Welcome to Unibot Fun. Developed by Unibot. Unibot Fun is a decentralized application to help you easily launch your own token. Today, we will cover how to create and launch your very own Fun token. Let's first take a look at the homepage. The top displays the current blockchains that are supported. Please be assured that the team is making progress in expanding to other chains. These top sections displays different information in real time. The left shows users that have bought or sold tokens. The right displays who created a new token. The Terminal tab showcases all tokens that have been created. The Create tab is where you will create, launch, and view all your token projects. To get started, first connect your wallet. You can do so at the top right-hand corner. Select your preferred wallet method and follow the steps accordingly. After you've connected your wallet, let's head over to the Create tab. On the Create page, you will be able to view all your projects in the Select Project segment. Any tokens that you have created or are in the progress of creation will be displayed here. To create a new token, select New Project located on the top right. You will then see information regarding safe trading and the steps in creating a Fun token. Once you're ready, go ahead and select the Start button. Next, select the new token to start the creation process. Under Token Details, enter the token name and token symbol that you wish to create. If you are unsure of what to name your token, there is also an AI random generator to assist you. Filling out the social section is optional, but if applicable, you are also able to enter your social links. Next, scroll down to Image Generator. Here you can type in a token description for the AI generator. It can be as simple or as detailed as you please. You can also click on Enhance to elevate your existing description. Or you can select Random to generate a description to give you inspiration. You can also choose additional keywords to enhance your image results here. Once you are satisfied with your description and selections, click Generate Images and have fun. You can generate images until you are satisfied with the results. Please allow a few seconds before generating new images. Next, select the image that is to your liking and click Set Logo. This will be your token's official logo. At the bottom of the page, let's look at the Launch Token section. In the Deploy Your Wallet section, set the wallet for the token to deploy from. Once everything is set, you can click Launch Token. Congratulations, you've created and launched your very own token. Thank you for watching. Have fun with creating and launching your very own tokens. Please feel free to reach out to us for any inquiries on our Telegram or X, Twitter. Take care.